is I just put it in the back of my leg. Like this. There's a little high spot on this platform. It's hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. On this, see how that platform, I don't know if it'll focus. Should have a macro on here. I don't know if you can tell, but right in here, on this side, it's a little bit higher. I need to get that out of the way. And these platforms just get preposterously small and exact. Do a little bit of percussion to blend as well as pressure flake. Create the platform. All this little work is for this teeny little thick spot on the edge here. I'm doing all of that because that's a little gnarly spot and I'm trying to get out. Concrete area. It's these little flakes that I break blades usually, not the big ones. Whoops, missed. There. That feathered out, but did a little overstrike. If you learn to chip this raw flint and control it when it's tough like this, and able to chip clean and fairly thin without breaking stuff or getting a lot of problems, you can pick up a piece of candy rock and just have your way with it. Sometimes I'll make a platform and set it up and not hit it. Here's an example where I want to come this way, but if you look at the contour, I don't think I'll be able to get it to where you can see, but this is my flake, and there's a little spot right in here where I don't think that will carry through. So I'm going to do some work on the other side and wait for that contour to meet the criteria, and I can come back. And I gotta quit here pretty soon and do some edge work, or else I'm gonna end up with these things get much narrower, and then you've wasted too much width for the pattern to look good on the first side, and it just doesn't look right. boy, these little blenders that should be just little flakes to come off clean are really wanting to hang on me even when I don't trap them. That's a sign of a tough rock. I'm going to turn this off. I'll do a little bit more edge blending. Okay, I'm not done, but the mosquitoes were eating me up. Sorry I left out a section there. I had to charge my battery too. The blade is pretty fair. It's, you know, fairly thin, not paper or anything, but good for raw. I have to do some edge work and get a couple more blending flakes on it, and it'll be done. I got a nice flake here across that one problem area that took care of a lot. I'd like the flakes to meet in the middle and not go all the way across, but it's presentable. I'd like it better if it was about ½ inch wider. Alright, we'll do some edge work on it probably tomorrow and then upload the end of this video.